Hi, I'm Dr. Duffey, and this is the second video in our series of videos on how to get ready for college in trying times. And this sleeping little dog is Sophie. This video is on laying the groundwork for college success. There's a trap in the notion of success. It's probably true that the wider world might like you more if you are a success. But it's important to remember, however, that the people close to you who love you now love you as you are and not for what you might become. These people just want the best for you. Their love is not dependent on your success. Remembering that can take some of the pressure off of you. What is dependent on your success is you becoming able to be self-sufficient and make a living. So let's talk about laying the groundwork. Deliberately setting up a routine is worth the time and frustration it'll take for you to do it. You want to figure a way to sneak some exercise into your day. Maybe you could take the stairs or park farther away if you're driving. You also need a little sunshine on your skin to make enough vitamin D. Having regular eating and sleeping habits will help your brain when you study. Not having enough sleep impairs your ability to learn. Andrew Phipps found that sleep regularity is positively associated with academic performance. Falling asleep and staying asleep so that you wake up rested is easier if you've developed a sleep routine. The Sleep Foundation has a rule of thumb recommendation that people ages 18 to 25 get from 7 to 9 hours of sleep. But they acknowledge that for some people it might be appropriate to get as little as 6 hours or as much as 10 to 11 hours of sleep a night. A good sleep routine would involve removing alerting stimuli like media, computer, and cell so that you can settle down. Put your screens in the night mode early in the evening. If you feel overwhelmed by what you need to do the next day, then make a quick list to get some closure so it doesn't keep going through your mind. Discuss relationship issues earlier in the day when you're fresh. You can avoid waking your brain up with bright light by having a dim nightlight in the bathroom. Nightlights also reduce the chance of falls. It's better to sleep in a room that is as dark as you can safely get it. If the room temperature is in the 60s, your sleeping body is better able to perform certain functions. Your feet, on the other hand, need to be warm, so wear socks if they get cold. An excellent app to help you with sleep is CBTI Coach. You can also use the Coach.me app to track your progress in changing or establishing fitness, sleep, mindfulness, eating, and other daily habits. Your brain to function at its best needs for you to drink plenty of liquid. Tea, Cokes, and coffee are diuretics and result in fluid loss. So you need to drink a cup of water for each cup of these that you drink. Consider finding healthy foods you can eat between classes that you can carry with you. You might consider things like hard-boiled eggs, olives, bananas, blueberries, walnuts, almonds, and Greek-style yogurt. You might chop up some vegetables like carrots or broccoli or cauliflower to dip in a small plastic container of guacamole that you can take with you. Eating fast, cheap, and healthy is not easy. If you cook or would like to learn, Rachel Phipps has clear instructions in her cookbook for college students. Finally, you can find references to it and other resources in our book, Search, A Guide for College and Life, which is both an ebook and a print book. It'll help you with setting up your room, knowing what to bring, and putting together a safety kit. One quick tip is to have stores ship big items directly to your new address to arrive on the day you move in. When you're considering what to bring, remember you might be taking it home sooner if there's a spike in the pandemic and your school decides to send you home early. On the other hand, because you may want to limit visits home out of worry about infecting your family, you want to make sure you have everything you need for the complete term of school. Thank you.